Hello, and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the world of indoor gardening with the GardenCube Hydroponics growing system, a 12-pot indoor gardening marvel that features a 24-watt LED grow light designed to mimic natural sunlight, accelerating plant growth up to 5 times faster than traditional soil methods. This innovative system includes an ultra-quiet water circulation pump, operating at less than 20 decibels, and engages every 30 minutes to ensure optimal oxygenation for robust root development, while a convenient viewing window and blue water shortage indicator make monitoring a breeze. With height and angle adjustability, the GardenCube accommodates plants at all growth stages, offering a maximum light height of 21 inches and a 180-degree swivel lamp board for even light distribution, ensuring thriving growth year-round. The system boasts 3 distinctive growth modes: veggie mode for lush growth with boosted blue light, herbs mode for enhanced oil production with UV light, and flowers, fruits mode for increased yield with red light, making it perfect for producing fresh, local produce at home. Ideal for anyone, from beginners to seasoned growers, this sustainable gardening gift requires no green thumb. Just plug it in, add water and seedlings, and watch your garden flourish. With the GardenCube, you can enjoy the gratifying process of growing your food and reducing your carbon footprint, all while experiencing the joy of fresh, healthy produce.